Okay, this is my cousin. He's going to use that battery thingy for something. So I'm pausing, and they're gonna be like, how did that get on?
Yeah.
And he still has that tape around it. Alright. Ooh, smoke. And that hot thing. Oh, it still works. Ew. It still works.
Of course it works. The battery is still there.
Oh. But it's broken.
Now if you want to use it to charge another battery pack,
Where are you supposed to charge it? Right there? Why can't you turn it off? It's on or off. The glue gun is on or off.
it's on.
Ew. It's still not lighting up for some reason. Oh, but that's charging. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, now it's that was fast.
It was already charged.
Then why did you charge it?
Just to show people that it works.
Now here we are again. He's checking out his work. And now he's using the glue gun. It's really hot. Only a grown-up could touch it. Like him. His name is King E.